Bedtime with Kita.
I can go shopping. Slot the pieces into the pages. Are you ready? Let's open it. Wow. Let's go shopping. The market is full of fruit. Put the missing fruit in the right places. Can you see the tomato? Where is it? There it is. Well done. Let's place it over there. Where is the yellow banana? I can see. It's right there. Let's place it over there. Well done. Crunch. Where is the red apple? Well done. There it is. Let's place the red apple next to the other ones. Like that. Now, can you see the pineapples? And how many are they? Let's count them. There they are. 1, 2, 3 pineapples. Well done. How many pears can you see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pears. Very good. Let's turn the page. The supermarket has a nice cold fridge. Can you find the eggs? Where are the eggs? Let's have a look. There they are. You are so good at this. Let's place it there on the shelf. Well done. The cold helps food stay nice and fresh. Now, what's missing in the freezer? That's right, the fish. There it is. Let's place the fish over there next to the crabs. Tasty. Find the missing milk. Let's see where the milk is. I can see it is right there. So good. Now let's place it with the other ones. Now, can you see what colour the tops are? So the first one is red colour, the second one is blue, the third one is yellow, and the fourth one is green. That's right. 1, 2, 3, 4 milk. What's missing on this shelf? I can see some meat and sausages. So, what's missing? The steak. That's right. Can you find a steak? There it is. Let's place it next to the other steak. Tasty. Okay, let's turn the page. There's lots of food on the supermarket shelves. Add the missing bread. Where is the missing bread? I'll help you. It is brown. There it is. Well done. It also has seeds in them. Can you see? Yellow, white, brown little seeds. That's right. Now, what else is missing? Flour makes bread, cakes and biscuits. Can you find the blue flour? Well done. There it is. And where is the red one? Let's take a look. There it is. Let's place it on. How many red flowers can you see? 1, 2, 3. And how many blue ones? 1, 2, 3. That's right. Can you find the cooking oil? Now it's green. There it is. It was easy to find, wasn't it? Because this is the last shopping item. There you go. Now, how many cooking oils can you see? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's right. You are so good at this. Let's turn the page. Time to pay. Now, put all the food on the conveyor belt. Can you see the first one? It has the shape of a milk. Where is the milk with the blue top? White milk. There you go. Well done. Let's place it over there. Now, can you tell me what shape this is here? This has the shape of a bread. Now, can you see the bread? It's brown with little seeds we've seen before. There it is. You are so good at this. Now, let's put it over there. Good. Now, this is the shape of a flower. Remember, we make bread out of flour. Now, where is the flower? Flower is white. You found it. Well done. Let's place it there. Good. Now, this one is the shape of an apple. Where is the red apple? There you go. Well done. It has a green leaf on top as well. Okay, the next one is the cooking oil. It's green. Well done. You found it again. I like this book. Okay, now the next one is the shape of a banana. What colour is the banana? That's right. It's yellow. And you found it. Whew, you're very smart. Let's place it over there. There you go. Now the last one is the eggs. Where are the eggs? There you go. You are so good at this. Now let's turn the page. Beep, beep, beep. Home again. Which things need to go in the fridge? Let's see. So the first one is, that's right, the eggs. Let's place it in the fridge. And the second one is the milk. Correct. So let's place the milk next to the tomato juice or the apple juice even. Okay, and which food are we going to put in the freezer? Let's have a look. The meat. That's right. The meat is the steak, the red colour. There it is. Very good. Let's place it over there. And then we have the fish. Blue. Put it in the freezer. Tasty. Time to pack the food away. What's missing from the pantry shelves? Pantry shelves is the bread. That's right. Put it over there. Okay, what else is missing? The flour. You are very good at this. The flour is over there. Well done. Let's place it over there next to the tomato juice. And then we have the cooking oil. It's green. There it is. Good. Place it over there. Put the fruit in the fruit bowl. Where's the fruit? We have the apple. That's right. And then the banana. That's correct. This was so much fun. We have learned a lot, haven't we? How to go shopping and how to put the shopping away. Well done. Well, I hope you enjoy the book because I have. Now, don't forget, be good for Mummy and Daddy. Bye-bye.
Thank you for watching Storytime with Gita. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me on social media. 1, 2, 3. Read with me. See what's the next book is going to be. Pictures that are work of art and some books that make you very smart. children of every age. Learn the letters A, B, C, and stories that wow you and me. Grab your books and gather around and listen to Gitta read aloud. Sit and enjoy the relaxing tone, and maybe one day you'll write your own. Don't forget to be good for mommy and daddy. Obey, respect, and help them daily. Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye for now, but only for a short while. Bye.